Hey everyone, here's our math problem for today. This problem is sent to us by one of our followers. Which is greater, 50 raised to 50 or 49 raised to 51? You can try this first and see if you can solve this math problem. Now let's solve this problem together. One strategy when comparing two numbers is to express them as ratio. In this case, there are three things that can happen. Number one is the numerator is greater than the denominator. In that case, the ratio is greater than 1. The second is when the denominator is greater than the numerator, then the ratio is less than 1. And the third case is when the numerator and the denominator are equal, of course, the ratio is equal to 1. So, if we compute this ratio and we arrive at any of these three results, then this will inform our conclusion as to whether the first expression or the second expression is greater than the other. So, let's perform our computation. Let's begin by noting that the exponent in the numerator is 50, the exponent in the denominator is 51. So, let's make them equal first by expressing this 51 as 50 plus 1 and applying the converse of the product law of exponent. The denominator here can be written as 49 raised to 50 times 49 raised to 1. To check if this is correct, you multiply these exponential numbers, you copy the common base, 49, and add their exponents, 50 plus 1, which is this 51. The exponents here now are the same. They are both raised to 50. So we can group this 50 raised to 50 and 49 raised to 50 and then express this other factor as the implied numerator of 1 over 49. So here is the result. When you have this ratio of exponential numbers with the same exponent, we can raise this as one single factor by getting the ratio of their bases and raising them to the common exponent, 50. So we have 50 over 49 raised to the common exponent, 50, and we just copy 1 over 49. Now, how can we simplify this? Let's recall the definition of the number e. That is equal to the limit of 1 plus 1 over n as n approaches infinity. This is important because this 50 over 49 can also be re-expressed in the form 1 plus 1 over n. Specifically, 50 over 49 is 1 plus 1 over 49. All the rest are just copied. But we still have a minor problem here because you have here a denominator of 49, but our exponent here is 50. But that is not a problem. Let's split 50 as 49 plus 1. And again, applying the converse of the product law of exponents, this expression here can be rewritten as two factors. The base raised to the first exponent times the same base raised to the second exponent, and we just copy all the rest. Now, this part here is the same form as our definition of e. So let's take care first of the one at the right. 1 plus 1 over 49 is 50 over 49. Copy all the rest. And let's rearrange the factors using the commutative property of multiplication. The reason is we want to know what is the product of these first two factors. And we already know that this third factor is approximately equal to 1, a little greater than 1. This part here is approximately equal to this number e because this is in the form 1 plus 1 over 49 raised to 49. So let's put here, the value of this is close to the number e. But this 49 is close to 17 times the number e. We are just doing this estimation because we are not after the exact value. We just want to know if this expression is less than 1, greater than 1, or equal to 1. So the operation here is multiplication. So if you multiply this e and this 1 over 17 times e, the result is 1 over 17, which is way less than 1. And the number here is just close to 1. So if you multiply a small number less than 1 times 1, the result is less than 1. And therefore, our conclusion is the value of this expression is less than 1. And so going back to our initial analysis, we said that if the ratio of this is less than 1, then our conclusion is it's the denominator that is greater than the numerator. So 49 raised to 51 is greater than 50 raised to 50. Thank you very much.